Hello and welcome. So student, now today's our topic is consumer equilibrium. Now the utility maximizing consumer reaches his equilibrium position when allocation of his expenditure is such that the last penny spent on each commodity yield the same utility. Now the question arises in our mind, how does the consumer reach this position? We know the two most important assumptions about the theory. That one is the consumer has limited income. Okay, that the utility which he derives from various consumption may not be the same. We also know that the marginal utility schedule of various commodity may not be the same. Some commodities yield higher marginal utility than the other, but in the same case marginal utility decreases more rapidly than in case of other for the same number of units consumed. A rational and utility maximizing consumer consume commodity in the order of their utilities. He pick up first the commodity which yield the highest utility, followed by the commodity yielding the second highest utility, and so on. He switches his expenditure from one commodity to another commodity in accordance with their marginal utilities. He continued to switch his expenditure from one commodity to another till he reaches a stage where marginal utility of each commodity in the same per unit of expenditure, and this is the stage of consumer equilibrium. Now we also we can say all these things in the very easy manner. Now a consumer is said to have reached his equilibrium position when he has maximizing the level of his satisfaction given his resources and their other condition. Okay, that is the consumer equilibrium. Then कंज्यूमर इक्विलिब्रियम क्या होता है, किस तरीके से हम मानते हैं ना. कंज्यूमर सपोज थ्री थिंग्स फॉर देयर इक्विलिब्रियम पोजीशन, their maximum satisfaction of the commodity consumption. Now first thing is the to have spent his entire income on the goods and services he consumed. He spent on the commodity for the consumption, not for the saving purpose. Understand? Mark the point. Not for the saving purpose. Then the second one is to have attained the optimum allocation of expenditure on various goods and services consumed. वो उस optimum level तक जाता रहेगा जब तक उसको satisfaction नहीं मिल जाएगा. Then last one is to have achieve an optimum quality of each goods and services. वो उसके maximum ऑप्टिमम लेवल पे क्वालिटी तक जाएगा जब तक कि उसको गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज की मैक्सिमम सेटिस्फैक्शन नहीं मिलता है. एंड कंज्यूमर हैविंग टू रीच दिस स्टेज ही वुड नॉट लाइक टू चेंज हिज कंजम्पशन पैटर्न. वो अपने कंजम्पशन पैटर्न को नहीं चेंज करेगा जब तक कि वो अपने सेटिस्फैक्टरी लेवल को रीच नहीं कर लेता है. स्टूडेंट, दैट ऑल अबाउट द कंज्यूमर इक्विलिब्रियम, एंड इन नेक्स्ट क्लास we will discuss on the model of consumer equilibrium with one commodity. All the best, take care and good luck. Like the video, please like, share, subscribe it.